Now introducing the Integrity upright bike. Much like the recumbent bike, beefier frame, easily accessible. Have to take off the right hand pedal and crank arm to access all the serviceable parts on the right hand side. Right hand shroud is held on by 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, but we also have to remove the upright cover. Pop off the disconnects. Same feature as on the recumbent bike, vented sides to allow better airflow and cooling. Unit plate designed for the generator mounting, easy access to the battery and the same lower board that's in the recumbent bike and the elliptical. And the beefy welded stabilizers, both front and rear. Single stage drive, 1 belt, fixed tension, and just like in the recumbent bike, the interface has been moved for the media, both power and cable TV for an attachable TV option to the front, much more serviceable and more reliable. A couple of features on the rear of the console, 4 screws hold it in place to get it the access to the back of the console, and the automotive style disconnect, snap it off. Want you to take note, 4 mounting screws that mount the console to the upright. The 5th screw has no powder coat and is utilized to carry ground from the frame into the console to protect the equipment. That same screw is utilized on the new Integrity elliptical, recumbent bike, and treadmill. Same feature, same protection. One thing that is extremely noteworthy about both the Integrity Series upright and recumbent bike is with the generator in a single stage drive, the clutch is an external clutch on the generator so that it can be easily replaced without changing the generator as well.